Hello, welcome back once again to Rob's Homemade, and today is recipe video time. It's been a while, a lot of people have moaned, but we're back with recipe videos, and today we are going to be showing you how I make bang bang chicken egg fried rice. So we have my version of bang bang marinade, which is paprika, sugar, salt, coriander, fresh and dried, cumin, cayenne pepper, chili flakes, and a couple of other things which I can't quite remember. Everything is mixed together beautifully. There we go. And in the dish we have 2 decent sized chicken breasts and some diced small peppers. So we're now going to literally put this marinade together. So we've got our specially selected garlic infused olive oil, Aldi special. Saves messing with garlic. I'm going to crack this open and just drizzle over the chicken and into the peppers. And then literally all this marinade, the powder, the fresh coriander, is going over the top of the chicken. Just like that. So everything is in one bowl, and then literally just get your hands in, get all that marinade onto the chicken with the oil, the peppers. This is going to be amazing. I have had a few comments over the last few months about not making any homemade recipe videos, so I hope this satisfies a certain group of people. They know who they are. I'm not going to mention names, but I do enjoy making homemade food. It's just, I've always said, at the moment with working full time, doing YouTube as a hobby mainly, it's hard to get the time to do these things, but I am trying to make time to do these. So there we go, everything's mixed. Quick wash of the hands, of course, gotta keep it clean, guys. And there we have it, our bang bang chicken marinating, ready to be cooked in 24 hours time. I love to leave marinades overnight. It brings out all the awesome flavours that's going to be in it. It looks amazing, and I'll see you in 24 hours for the cooking part of it. Right guys, our chicken has had 24 hours. Just look at this. So I'm going to put these in the foil, just like so. That's going to be kept to go in the fried rice later. I will probably dice some more peppers out. We'll just get the camera down. There we go. You can see the chicken. So we're now going to fold these into little parcels, so these will cook in their own juices for about 35-40 minutes, so that we can actually get them shredded. And we have our shredded bang bang chicken. So there we go, that's the chicken done, all wrapped up in nice parcels, and then straight in to the oven for about 40 minutes. See you soon, guys. Right guys, chicken in the oven, the rice is on to boil for the egg fried rice. We're now just going to quickly knock up a quick tomato and coriander, quick salsa, nothing special, just tomatoes, coriander, bit of olive oil, bit of white wine vinegar. These tomatoes are quite soft, so they will make a beautiful salsa. So there we go. This is to go on top of the shredded chicken, or I might put it on the side, I don't know yet, we'll see what happens later on. So I'm just going to quickly chunk these tomatoes up, any which way but loose, it doesn't matter. Just hack away. it. Got a bowl here, straight in. I'm going to call it a salsa, maybe a bit more of a salad, maybe. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Tomato salad, tomato salsa. Quickly wipe off tomato juice. Drizzle of white wine vinegar. Drizzle our garlic infused olive oil. And then a handful, stalks and all. Stalks have flavour. And then just roughly chop the coriander. Quickly through. Don't have to be perfect. Top of the tomatoes. Grab a spoon, toss it all around. You can put onion, you can put peppers, you can put anything you want, but I'm just going to make it a plain tomato and coriander salsa. There we go, guys. Right guys, the chicken has had 40 minutes. Oh, steaming hot. Look at that little bad boy. Oh. I'm going to try and shred it. If this doesn't shred, I'm going to look like an idiot. Well, guess what? It's shredding. 2 forks. Just literally rip it apart. That's all you need to do, literally 2 forks, pull at the chicken and it pulls apart quite easily. And there we go. Basically, this was going to go back into the juices. Wrap back up, then back in the oven just to keep warm while we sort out the egg fried rice. I will do the other one now, put that back in the oven, then we'll get on with the fried rice. Right guys, now on to the egg fried rice. We have our garlic infused olive oil, just a good drizzle. We've got all the peppers we use for the marinade straight in. That's going to make this rice so tasty. Fry this off for a few seconds. Just get the oil infused. This is going to be so tasty. Right guys, that's been frying away for a minute or two. We're going to add our peas, get them popping in with everything else. Look at that, so colourful, so bright and vibrant. Peas only need a few seconds just to start popping, get warm on the inside, and fully defrosted. I use frozen peas. If you want to use fresh you can. Frozen peas are just as good as anything else. Now we have our boiled basmati rice, cooled down, straight in. Most of this is already seasoned, so you don't need to add any more seasoning. We might put it all in, we might not. We'll see what happens. So I'm just going to get this round now. Get all the rice mixed in. Well, got all them peas, peppers. There's no onion in this, but you can. You've got the coriander going through there. Look at that. Doesn't that? I like to call this type of thing my rainbow rice, because it's got all the colours of the rainbow in it. It's the last of the rice in. Stir it all around. This don't take long, because it only takes a minute or so to warm the rice back up. And then this is what happens when you buy organic eggs, guys. My missus won't buy any of those. You get beautiful yellow coloured yolks. Look amazing. Get them in. We just scramble our eggs in the microwave, plain and simple, dead easy, dead quick, and then just warm everything through together. And that is my quick and simple egg fried rice. So we're now going to go over to the worktop and do the best part and plate up. Right guys, now time to plate up. So on with the egg fried rice, plenty of it, nice good portion. My missus loves rice anyway, so they'll definitely enjoy that. Then I'm just going to use the spoon to make a well in the middle, just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tower the chicken of beautiful, succulent, tender, bang bang shredded chicken into the middle. And last but by no means least, those chicken juices and the rest of that marinade and stuff straight down the middle. So there we have it, guys. Our bang bang chicken with egg, shredded bang bang chicken with egg fried rice, and as a side compliment, our tomato and coriander salsa, salad, call it what you want. Nice and easy. Got one last tip to go on. Hope you can still see it. Yeah, you can. Some nice sesame seeds just over the top. And there we have it. Full and completed. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you want to make this dish, watch the video from the start. Simple, easy ingredients which you've probably got in your own home. So thank you very much for watching. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. When you hit the subscribe button, don't forget the notification bell. Click all and you'll get every single notification from me, Rob, at Rob's Homemade. So from me, Rob, my homemade shredded bang bang chicken with egg fried rice. Cheers, guys. Peace.